Hitting 40s? Here's what can help your skin look healthy. Without proper care, after a certain point of time, the skin stops looking radiant and youthful. Pollution also wreaks havoc on our health, skin and hair by the time we touch 40. Women in their 30s are considered to have a great complexion, but to keep it up in their 40s, there are certain regimens to be followed. Without proper care, the skin stops looking as radiant and youthful. Where's the time for self-care? One may well ask, but ladies, take a minute to think about your skin, which needs attention after a long day at work. Healthy diet is the key. It is necessary that one follows a healthy lifestyle, which includes nutritious meals and adequate sleep. Include food that has natural antioxidants that will curb free radicals. Work pressure. As you grow older, you are overloaded with work, coupled with a lot of stress which not only affects a person mentally but physically as well. Leading a stress-free life will give you that glow you are longing for. Stick to one formula. One should not experiment with different beauty products without knowing what suits their skin. It's better to stick to products they are used to. Sunblock. Applying sunscreen lotion is essential while going out as it protects from sunburn, suntans and long-term damage to the skin. Stay moisturized. Application of moisturizers is a must for women with dry skin to avoid itchy and scratchy skin. Retinol. Applying retinol-based anti-aging creams at night can help in maintaining healthy skin.